Hey, I am your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about MuMuPlayer Error Code 22000. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when MuMuPlayer frequently crashes. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but our research suggests that the error may occur because of any issue with your system, internet, outdated MuMuPlayer, or system firmware. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your system along with the internet and try again. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the MuMuPlayer and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if you have any pending updates for your system firmware and see if this resolves the error. If the error continues, then consider uninstalling the MuMuPlayer and make sure there are no leftover files. Then reinstall the MuMuPlayer and check for the error again. Please make sure to secure any data which might be deleted during the uninstallation process. At last, if nothing helps, then try installing MuMuPlayer on any other device and see if this helps. If this helps with the error, then possibly the issue is coming because anything from your device is causing issues with the MuMuPlayer. So check for anything under your device environment which might be causing issues. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.